Did you know GoPro has a brand new color profile that they've never used in any other GoPro before? Let's check it out. Hey guys, it's me, Steve WB, and welcome back to my channel. And we have another GoPro Hero10 Black video coming right now for you. And what it's about are the three color profiles that GoPro now offers on the Hero10 Black. The three color profiles are flat, which if you want to try to color grade a little bit and get a little more dynamic range. Then you have vibrant, which we're in right now. And now they have a whole new one, and it's called natural. Natural is not as oversaturated as the vibrant and supposed to give you more of a true color look. So what we're going to do in this video is I'm just going to show you sample footage of all three different color profiles, and you can decide which one you like the best. Once the sun gets up a little bit higher, we're going to get right into it. Okay, so this is going to be the walking vlog test. We're in 5.3K at 30 frames a second, and the color mode is vibrant. This is their most richest and vibrant colors that they offer on the GoPro Hero 10. And I just wanted to do a little short vlog so you could see skin tones and things like that. And now this is natural color profile, El Natural. This is the walking vlog test for natural color profile. It's a little bit more toned down, not as you know, super GoPro colors. It's supposed to be a little more muted. And now, last but not least, this is the GoPro Flat. This is a more muted color profile. It's supposed to squash the colors down really low and get rid of a lot of contrast in the attempt that if you can add color to this in post and get more dynamic range, so you can kind of customize your colors a little. So how does the flat profile look? Okay, so what do you think? That's the three different color profiles that the GoPro Hero 10 Black now offers: natural, vivid, and flat. Which one did you like better? Drop a comment down below. This right here is going to be flat, and I'm going to try to color grade it, which I really suck at, but hey, let's try anyway, right? So just drop a comment down below. If you like content like this, support an old man, subscribe, help me get to 1K. And I'm Steve WB, and I'm out.